In today's video, I'm going to share a super simple daily routine that will help you lose belly fat fast. If you've been struggling with stubborn belly fat, you're not alone. But don't worry, with consistency and these easy to follow exercises and lifestyle changes can get you the results you've been dreaming of. Before we dive in, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe to the channel and ring the bell for notifications so you never miss out on my latest fitness tips, routines and motivation. 1. Set your mindset. First things first, it all starts with your mindset. Losing belly fat doesn't happen overnight. But with daily effort, you'll see amazing progress over time. So, if you're ready to put in the work, let's get started. 5 key daily habits to lose belly fat. Now, let's get into the 5 essential daily habits you should follow to lose belly fat effectively. These are simple to do every day and will make a huge difference in your results. Start your day with water. Start your day with water. Drinking water first thing in the morning helps boost your metabolism, flush out toxins, and curb unnecessary cravings. Make sure to drink at least 16 ounces of water before anything else. It's a small change that has big benefits for belly fat loss. Do at least 15 to 20 minutes of cardio. Get moving with cardio, whether it's a brisk walk, a light jog, or a dance workout. Aim for at least 15 to 20 minutes of cardio every day. Cardio burns calories, helps reduce overall body fat, and works wonders for flattening your belly. Next we have is core strengthening exercises. Core strengthening exercises. While spot reduction isn't possible, building strong core muscles can help tighten your midsection. Try doing a quick 10-minute ab workout every day, including exercises like planks, crunches, and leg raises. These will target your abs and build muscle, which burns more fat even at rest. Next we have is that eat whole, nutrient-dense foods. Fuel your body with whole, nutrient-dense foods. Eat more lean proteins, fresh vegetables, fruits, and healthy fats like avocados and olive oil. Avoid processed foods and sugary snacks, which can contribute to belly fat. The cleaner you eat, the faster you will see results. Try to get enough sleep. Sleep is so important. Aim for at least 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep every night. Poor sleep can lead to weight gain, especially around the belly area, due to increased hunger hormones and stress. Make sleep a priority to allow your body to recover and burn fat effectively. So here we have the final words of encouragement. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to losing belly fat. By following these 5 simple habits every day, you will start seeing changes in your body, and most importantly, you will feel better, healthier, and more confident. It's all about making small sustainable changes that you can stick with in the long term. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends. and leave a comment below telling me which tip you're going to start doing every day. Don't forget to subscribe for more fitness content.